Hello everybody, welcome to Shri Sai Shruti channel. Today let us see one important question from trigonometry. It carries 3 or 4 marks in SSLC examination. Here I written question, that is, prove that sin theta into 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta into 1 plus cot theta is equal to secant theta plus cosecant theta. Here you have to see the expression which is written in LHS and RHS. We need to prove that this LHS expression, that is equal to sec theta plus cosecant theta. This is a question based on trigonometry identity. Let us consider LHS. Sin theta into 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta into 1 plus cot theta. So here sin theta into tan theta is written as sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta into 1 plus cot theta. You know the relation between cot theta, that is cos theta divided by sin theta. What I did here, I written the relation between sin and cos. You know that sin by cos theta is tan theta, and similarly cos divided by sin is cot theta. Continue. That is equal to sin theta into, you know that how to add the two fractions here, 1 plus sin by cos. So here cos theta as LCM, cos into 1 is cos theta plus sin theta, plus the same procedure you can proceed here. 1 plus cos by sin is sin theta plus cos theta whole divided by sin theta. So here, as you noticed, in these two cases, in these two fractions, cos theta plus sin theta is common. You have to observe in first fraction and in the second fraction, cos theta plus sin theta or sin theta plus cos theta both are same. This is common in both terms. Hence, I will take cos theta plus sin theta as a common factor here. That comes cos theta plus sin theta. So its cofactor will be sin theta by cos theta. So as you bring cos theta plus sin theta as common factor in both terms, sin divided by cos is a common factor. So I written in within the bracket. Same procedure in the second term, cos by sin is the remaining uncommon factor. Clear? That is equal to, this is cos theta plus sin theta as it is. Once again we need to add these two fractions, as you are noticing here, cos theta and sin theta. These its LCM is its product cos theta into sin theta. As you are noticing, both fractions having different denominator, cos and sin, its product will be the LCM. So that here sin theta by cos theta into the LCM, which gives here, which gives cos theta and cos theta get cancelled. Sin and sin is sin square theta, and similarly cos into cos is cos square theta. So once again I am repeating here, cos theta and sin theta is LCM of cos theta and sin theta. So you know the procedure how to add the two fractions or more fractions with a different denominator. We need to take first fraction sin by cos into the LCM. So what will happen here? Cos get cancelled, remaining sin and sin give sin square theta, and the same procedure here, cos theta by sin theta into cos theta into sin theta. Sin theta will get cancelled. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Then our work becomes easy. These statements are getting simplified form. That is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. Here, according to the first identity, as I am writing here, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. This is a trigonometry identity number 1. That comes out here 1. Its value becomes 1. 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta. Once again, notice here what will be the target expression we need to prove. That is sec theta plus cosecant theta. So we simplified till here. You know that relation between cos and secant theta and sin and cosecant theta. That is 1 by cos is sec theta, 1 by sin is cosecant theta. So let us continue here. Cos plus sin, I will multiply these two. Cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. So multiply these two fractions. That comes out here cos theta by cos into sin theta. When you split this numerator as cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta and sin theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. So splitting this numerator with a common denominator. So that is equal to cos theta and cos theta cancel. Remains here 1 by sin theta plus sin theta and sin theta get cancelled. Remains 1 by cos theta. That comes 1 by sin is the relation 1 by sin theta gives cosecant theta or cosec theta plus 1 by cos is sec theta. This is nothing but RHS expression what we need to prove. That is sin theta into 1 plus tan theta plus cos theta into 1 plus cot theta. That is sec theta plus cosecant theta. This way you can prove the given trigonometry question. I hope you understand. Thank you.